Tineco A10 Hero has total 110 watt effective suction power for max mode, more than enough for daily cleaning tasks, 25 watt for normal mode, and here is the performance result with copper motorized brush. As expected, A10 Hero performs very well on dust and long-lived tests. I'm using normal power mode by the way. Some mung beans are flying around on hard floor test though. I believe hard floor motorized brush will perform better than. On the copper test, it performs well again. Normal power mode will do the job just fine. Well, that's it for the quick test. Thanks for watching. Peace.